Okay, class 9 students. So today is 16th of Jesta 2077, and dear students, what are we discussing? We are discussing the chapter classification of organisms, and in classification of organisms we are discussing about the animal kingdom, right? Animal kingdom. So let's begin the class. Yesterday we have completed up to Coelenterata, right? And in today's class, what are you going to discuss? We are discussing about some more phyla. So those phyla are given here. First phylum is Platyhelminthes. Okay, Platyhelminthes. And next one is phylum Nemathelminthes. Okay, remember. And then we'll be discussing about differences between tapeworm and roundworm. And finally, in today's class, we are discussing about phylum Annelida. So dear students, yesterday we discussed about diploblastic animals. Could you tell me about diploblastic animals? Those animals whose body contains only two layers. Outer layer is ectoderm, inner layer is endoderm, are diploblastic. In today's class, we will be discussing about triploblastic animals too. Okay, triplo means having three layers. First, let's begin our chapter, that is phylum Platyhelminthes. Platy. So, what does it mean by platy? Platys means flat. Helminthes means worm. Here we have to make our concept clear that those animals whose body is flat and elongated, they are called Platyhelminthes. And their body is soft also. Flat, elongated, long and soft body animals. And those animals which belong to phylum Platyhelminthes are called flatworms. Flatworms. Okay, examples of flatworms are liver fluke and tapeworm. What is given here? Liver fluke and tapeworm. Okay. So there are other animals which belong to Platyhelminthes, but mainly these two I have written. I have marked. Now students, let's discuss about the characteristics of Platyhelminthes. I have said you, we are not going to write the general characteristics, specific characteristics, main characteristics. In this book, there are given 8, but we are going to write maximum 4. Okay? Important characteristics are, they are hermaphrodites. They are hermaphrodites. Means, in the same animal, there is male part as well as female part. Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. This is main characteristic of Platyhelminthes. Next important characteristic is they have mouth but no anus. Mouth but no anus. It means alimentary canal is incomplete. Then what type of alimentary canal is complete? Having both mouth and anus. Clear? Next important thing is they are parasites. They are parasites. What does it mean? They obtain their food from other living beings. So they are parasites. Next thing, they reproduce by regeneration method. Regeneration means when their body is cut into small pieces, those small pieces give rise to new organism. Isn't that interesting? So that is regeneration. How many important characteristics we have written? 4. Number 1, they are hermaphrodites. Male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ is present in their body. They have mouth, no anus. They are parasites and they reproduce by regeneration method. Example, liver fluke, tapeworm, planaria, blood fluke, leukosolenia. These are the examples of Platyhelminthes. Now students, let's discuss next thing, triploblastic. Actually, Platyhelminthes are triploblastic also. What is it by triploblastic? Tri means 3. Their body contains 3 layers. Body contains 3 layers. What are they? Outermost is ectoderm, middle is mesoderm, innermost is endoderm. In their body there are 3 layers. Outermost layer, ectoderm, middle mesoderm, inner endoderm. You know, our skin has got dermis, epidermis, then connective tissue, blood cells, muscles, like that. See, there are layers. So, but what do you think? Are we diploblastic or triploblastic? We are neither diploblastic, we are nor triploblastic, we are polyblastic. We have got many layers. Many layers. Okay? Now students, we are going to discuss next phylum. What is that? Nemathelminthes. Nemathelminthes. Okay. It is also called Achelminthes also. So, Nemathelminthes is made from 2 Greek words, nematodes and helminths. Nematodes means thread and helminths means worms. Those animals which contain thread-like body are called Nemathelminthes. They are also called roundworms. Also called roundworms. What are the examples of roundworms? Mainly ascaris. You know zucca that lives inside our body. Next one is hookworm, pinworm. These are very dangerous ones. They attack. They live inside our body and do some garbage. Now students, what are we going to discuss? The characteristics of Nemathelminthes. First is their body is cylindrical and unsegmented, very long and is not divided into any segments. Body is bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means their body can be divided into 2 equal halves by 1 line. Body can be divided into 2 equal halves by 1 line. Their body is covered with thick cuticle. A bit hard substance is present in their body. And their digestive system is complete. Means they have got anus as well as mouth. And most of them are parasite. They obtain their food from other organisms, other living organisms without killing them. Examples of Nemathelminthes are ascaris, hookworm and pinworm. Remember this? Now students, let's discuss about differences between tapeworm and hookworm. So how many points are we going to discuss? Mainly 2. Number 1, first point is their body is tapeworm, their body is flat. Roundworm, their body is cylindrical. One difference. Tapeworm, they have no anus. Roundworm, they have anus. Is it or not? So in that way we can give the differences between tapeworm and roundworm. Now students, what are we going to discuss? phylum Annelida. Okay, phylum Annelida. So how is Annelida made up of? Greek word annelus and idios. Okay, annelus and idios. Annelus means little ring, small ring is present in their body. So idios means form, little ring form, means Annelida are those animals which have ring-like structure in their body. These animals are segmented. Suppose if their body is like this, there is some segment like this. Okay, small segments. These are the segments present in Annelida. So, can you give the example of the animals which belong to Annelida? They are earthworm, leech, sandworm, polygordius, etc. Basically, remember earthworm and leech. Enough. Now, students, what are the characteristics of salient features, main features of Annelida? They have cylindrical, segmented and elongated body. Cylindrical like pencil, segmented containing small ring-like structure and elongated long body. They respire through moist skin. See, they respire through moist skin. Students, I am saying you that important characteristics only will be discussed, not everything. They move with the help of seta or parapodia. They move with the help of seta or parapodia, and they excrete, they throw waste materials with the help of nephridia. So we have to write those characteristics which are not present in others. That's why I said, in case of Annelida, cylindrical body, segmented and elongated, respiration through moist skin, move with the help of seta or parapodia, and throw unnecessary substances with the help of nephridia. Examples already discussed, earthworm and leech. And next thing, students, these animals are also hermaphrodite. I said hermaphrodite means presence of both male organ and female organ in the same body. So what did we discuss today? Platyhelminthes, flatworms, Nemathelminthes, roundworms, and Annelida, segmented worms or ringworms. Dear students, so read and make everything clear in your mind, and then you have to make note and submit to me. Okay, so you are alpha student, you can do something better. Please utilize the time, and your result is already published. You can check the result in your messenger group, how you have done. Nowadays you get the result in grade, so the grades are given. In GPA is also mentioned, isn't it? So if you have done according to your expectation, that is okay. If not done, try next time, so that you can achieve better grades. Okay students, today this much. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a wonderful time.